Metal detecting is a thrilling hobby. Whether you're treasure hunting at the beach, relic hunting in the woods, or just searching for lost treasures in your own backyard. In this video, we'll take a look at the best metal detectors for 2026. From high-tech multi-frequency machines to durable all-terrain models, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Starting with the MINELAB Equinox 900 multi-frequency collapsible metal detector. This powerful tool offers a fantastic mix of technology and portability. With its EQX 11-inch and 6-inch waterproof double D coils, it's ideal for all types of treasure hunts. One of the standout features is the ability to use 6 single frequencies and 4 detection modes, ensuring that you can adapt to any terrain. The added wireless headphones make for a more immersive experience, and it's all wrapped up in a collapsible design that makes storage a breeze. Whether you're diving into the depths of the water or scanning the beach, the Equinox 900 is a solid choice. Next up is the Garrett AT Max All-Terrain Metal Detector. Garrett is a trusted name in the metal detecting world, and the AT Max does not disappoint. Designed for both land and water, it's built to handle rugged conditions. The MS3 headphones, included with the detector, provide clear audio feedback even in noisy environments, making it easier to identify those target signals. The adjustable sensitivity and pinpointing feature ensure that you can detect items deep in the ground with accuracy. For those seeking an entry-level yet reliable model, the Nokta Simplex ultra waterproof metal detector offers great value. The 11-inch search coil combined with a carbon fiber shaft makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's also waterproof, allowing you to explore beaches, rivers, or lakes without worry. It's user-friendly and equipped with an LED flashlight for those dusk and dawn adventures, a perfect option for beginners and intermediate detectorists alike. If you're looking for high-performance multi-frequency capability, then the XP Metal Detector Deus 2 is the ultimate choice. It's waterproof and operates with 9-inch FMF coil, making it perfect for relic hunting and treasure hunting in different environments. The WS6 wireless headphones give you total freedom, while the remote control allows for fine-tuning. The Deus 2's compact design and multi-frequency feature allow for better target identification in challenging conditions, ideal for both seasoned pros and dedicated enthusiasts. Finally, the MINELAB Vanquish 540 multi-frequency pinpointing metal detector rounds off our list. It's another great offering from MINELAB, featuring the V12 12-inch by 9-inch double D waterproof coil. The detector has 4 detection modes to suit various conditions from parks to beaches. It also includes rain cover and wired headphones, making it a great choice for detecting in all kinds of weather. The iron bias feature also helps to avoid false signals, making sure you only dig for what matters. These best metal detectors for 2026 bring a combination of cutting-edge technology, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, there's a metal detector on this list for you. So which one is your pick for your next treasure hunt? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab the best deal on these amazing metal detectors. Happy hunting!